Question 13 is the first question from this game. It's an orientation question. For almost all orientation questions, the process is the same. We'll use the rules one at a time, eliminate the wrong answer choices, and choose whatever's left over. So now that you know the process, I want you to pause the recording and just take the rules one at a time and cross off any answer choice that breaks a rule. When you're done, you should have only one answer choice remaining, and that'll be the right answer. Okay, we're back. So the first rule, unfortunately, does not eliminate any answer choices. Now notice we only have 4 rules. And if the first rule is not going to get rid of any answer choices, we still have 4 answer choices that are wrong. What that probably means is that as we go through the rules, or the remaining 3 rules, that at least one of them is going to eliminate more than one answer choice. So we want to be on the lookout for that. The second rule tells us that we have to have at least one batch of cookies made on Monday. And that's going to eliminate answer choice C. C does not have any cookies made on Monday. The third rule tells us that the second batch of oatmeal cookies and the first batch of peanut butter cookies are going to be made on the same day. This rule is a little tricky to test, but as we go through the answer choices, we actually get pretty lucky with this rule. Both answer choices D and E break the rule by placing something other than having the first batch of peanut butter cookies made on the same day as the second batch of oatmeal cookies. If you got stuck on this one going through the game or the question yourself, it was probably because you eliminated answer choice D and then went on to the next rule assuming that each rule was going to break only one answer choice. And so you were probably torn between the right answer choice and then E. So you probably want to build a good habit, which is that as you're testing a rule, you test it against all of the answer choices. Over time, yeah, it may cost you a few seconds here and there, but over time it'll actually save you a lot of grief because you won't get to a situation where you've eliminated all but 2 answer choices and you're not sure which rule to go back to in order to make that final elimination. The last rule tells us that we have to have the second batch of sugar cookies made on Thursday. Answer choice B has the second batch of sugar cookies made on Wednesday. That leaves us with answer choice A as the correct answer.